Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best margarita recipe. I promise you, it's so much better than that stuff that you buy at the grocery store that comes in a bottle, already made, or you just mix it with tequila, whatever. I know it looks like there's a whole lot going on right here, but I promise you it's so easy, it's so worth it, and it's so good. So let's get started. What you're going to need is triple sec, tequila, chamoy and tajin for your rim. Unless you like salt and lime, you can do that as well. And you'll need 1 can of this frozen limeade. I don't know if you've ever seen this before. Sometimes it's hard to find, but when you do find it, stock up on it because it is the best and it makes the best margaritas. So we're going to use this whole can. Let me figure out how to open this because I haven't done this in a while. I actually learned this recipe from my mom, and when she taught it to me, I was like, okay, Mom, I see you. Alright, so we're going to open this. We're going to dump this whole thing into our blender. So I'm using a Ninja, but obviously use whatever blender you have on hand. I'm just going to dump that whole thing in there. And then we're going to get yourself a measuring cup because it comes out better when you actually measure your ingredients. So put that aside. And all this stuff is brand new. We're going to use triple sec. With 1 can of limeade, you want to do 1/4 cup of triple sec. So make sure you get your measurements right, or else it'll taste all wrong. So 1/4 cup triple sec. Pour that into your blender. Close that up. And then, this is brand new tequila. I got it on my birthday. It's Casa Amigos tequila. This is what I have on hand, so this is what I'll be using for this recipe. You're going to do 3/4 cup of tequila. So let's get that. It sounds like a lot, but I promise you if you use less, it's not going to be that strong. And I like it strong. And the cool thing about this recipe too is if you want to like add some flavor or like fresh fruit, you can do frozen mangoes, frozen strawberries, and it's bomb. So another thing that you need obviously is ice. So let me get the ice. BRB.
346 minutes later.
So this is 1 cup of ice. I'll do 2 cups of ice for now, and then I'll blend it, and then I'll see if I like it or not. If I don't, I'll add more ice, and we'll go from now. Put the lid on. And we're gonna blend. That looks a little more slushy. So what you want to do now is, if you like lime and salt instead, you're gonna want to lime your rim and then put salt. But if you like chamoy and tajin, then you'll get a little bowl, put some chamoy in it. I like to mix my tajin and my chamoy just because I feel like it sticks better onto the glass. Then you're not trying to like, you know, balance the tajin over the glass and make sure that you get it right. You just go like this, and they're both on there, and it's delicious. Another thing that my mom likes to do is she puts the chamoy all inside the glass too. So if you like that, that's another idea. So there's that. Take the lid off. I'm just gonna taste it. Oh my god, so bomb. So bomb. Pour that. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my god. And this is like the perfect recipe right now for this quarantine life because I know you guys have nothing else to do. So cheers. Oh my god. That's so good. You can drink it with a straw or not, whatever your preference is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you remake this recipe, make sure you post it on Instagram, any social media, tag me, Jasmine Alyssa Diaz. Follow me, like, subscribe, comment, share it with your tia, your abuelo, your abuela, anybody who wants to make some margaritas. Let them know you got the recipe. Thank you guys.